How to fix Instagram story not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story not showing on Android phone. It's easy. All you need to do just go to settings, scroll down, go to storage, and here we'll find clean up. Now you need to find your phone cache and you need to clean it like your phone cache or junk files. Click on it and then click delete, and as you said cache have been cleaned. Now all you need to do just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings, apps, and apps again, and go to Instagram, and here we'll find permissions. Now we need to enable this one, storage, here enable it, and go to data usage and enable this one. All of those here enable it and go back and try again, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.